This tutorial will cover two commands for drawing in AutoCAD called chamfer and fillet. I'm going to start by checking my units, as you should every time you begin drawing. Make sure you're in architectural units if you're going to be drawing in feet and inches. Next, I'm going to draw a quick square, 12 inches by 12 inches, to demonstrate the commands. I know that each side of this square is a foot. First, we will work with the command fillet, which you can find in the modify menu under home. And if you pull down this little arrow, you can also find chamfer next to it. Fillet will soften a corner of a polygon by drawing an interior arc along the corner. We need to specify the radius of that arc. So to start the command, type in the hotkey, which is F, enter. And you'll notice that in the command line, we have the option of adjusting the radius. I know each side of this square is 1 foot, so I'm going to set the radius, R, enter, to 6 inches. Now, AutoCAD wants me to select the first object for my fillet. I'm going to select this side. And it needs a second object for my fillet. I'm going to select this side. You can see the preview of the arc that will form when I select this side. Clicking on it applies the fillet, and now I have an arc connecting those two objects, an arc that is 6 inches in radius. Chamfer is a similar command. It'll soften the corner as well, but not with an arc, but with a straight line. The shortcut key for chamfer is CHA. In the same way, we need to select the first line and a second line for chamfer, but first we need to apply a distance, the distance away from the corner in which the chamfer will be applied. So I'm going to select for distance 6 inches as well. And it wants the second chamfer distance. So the first one was the distance away from the corner on one side. The second one is the distance away from the corner on the other side of the chamfer. I want them to be equal, so I'll just hit enter to give it 6 inches as well. And now it wants the first line. I'll select this one. And the second line will be this one. And there is the preview of what the chamfer will look like. Click to apply. And now you can see both the fillet and the chamfer.